Hi, I'm Melissa and today we're going to go over the Louis Vuitton Avenue Sling bag. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to stay updated with all my new uploads and give this video a like if it's helpful. The one I have here is in Damier Infini leather. This is all leather stamped with a checkerboard design. It is kind of a more stiff material, which can be a pro if you want a more durable bag. This is a nice durable leather. This one is just all black and it has a nice texture to it. Let's look at all the features and take an overall look at this bag. First up, you have a pocket up here. This one has a silver tone zipper. Inside is all leather as well. This is a smaller size pocket. You have a little stamp here in the leather, then a main pocket here. Here you also have a long slip pocket, the maiden stamp. On the front, here you have another pocket, and this is just one pocket, nothing inside there. These two front pockets are canvas inside, and then this one did have leather inside. Both of these pockets only unzip about halfway, so you do kind of have to bend this forward to get your hand in there. Over here on the front, you have a little leather logo, and then here is a look at the side, the zippers. And on the back, you have the strap attached here at the top. This strap is not removable, however, you can adjust the side that it's on. So you just have this little push lock and you can put it on either side. Depending on which side is more comfortable for you to wear on, that can be a nice feature as well. This strap is also fully adjustable. All you have to do is slide it depending on the length that you need. It can get pretty long and generous, or you can have it nice and tight, but I would recommend putting it on and then you can definitely see the adjustment of the size that you need. Let's take a look and see what can fit inside of this bag. Right off the bat, I can see that this does have a nice size and it's not too big, but you can see the overall shape is quite flat, so that does kind of change what can be put inside. Let's start off with the essentials. We'll put my phone and maybe let's put that actually in the front pocket. And then my keys, I'll also put those in the front pocket. And then let's see what can fit in this top pocket. Let's try some AirPods. I feel like that is a perfect fit and really nice, doesn't stretch it out too much. Let's add some sunglasses with the case. I'm gonna put those in the middle pocket. Let's see if these full-sized headphones will fit. They do fit in there. Let's add a small to medium wallet, a lip gloss. Let's see if this pouch will fit. That fit nicely there. We even have room for some more lip gloss. And I feel like that is starting to get pretty full. You can probably fit another few very small items. However, it's starting to get pretty stuffed, so I don't want to overstuff it. Here's how that looks with everything inside. You can see that it's kind of starting to bulge out a little bit, but I just want to show you the maximum of what can fit inside here. Because of this bag's nice and flat shape, I feel like that makes it a great option for travel because you can pack it flat in your suitcase. You can kind of put clothes and whatever you need to on top, and it won't really mess up the structure if you kind of squish it down because it already has that nice flat shape. It also fits a lot, which when you're traveling is really convenient, and the crossbody hands-free feature is also a nice bonus. Let me try on this bag so you can see how it looks on and we can get a view of its size. the Louis Vuitton Avenue Sling bag was helpful. This bag does come in a few other materials and designs, and it is part of the men's line, but it's such a great versatile bag that anyone can wear it. If you have any questions, leave them down below and I'll try my best to answer. Other than that, I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Bye.